Kiddo's Kingdom.
Hey kids, unscramble the letters and make new words. Can you fix the mixed up words? If you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, so you don't miss any new video and get notification. Sun, and cup, hard, dog, creek, cat, pen, rat, bag. I hope kids you enjoyed it. See you next time.